putting a Starbucks gift card on the app is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can put the Starbucks gift card on the app. So for that we have to go to the Starbucks application, and in the Starbucks application you simply have to tap on this gift icon. After tapping on that icon you will be able to see this page. Here you have to go to the first option, which is got a gift card, add it here. You just have to tap on that option and then you will see these two options. So the first option is join Starbucks reward. You know that Starbucks has reward options where if you join it, you get free rewards and some star points that you can use to get free drinks and stuff. And the second thing that they're telling you is you can simply sign in and redeem the card. It totally depends upon you, however you want to do. If you don't want to do the rewards and stuff, just sign in and your card will be redeemed. And if you want to join the Starbucks reward, just have to tap on that and fill this form. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.